Hello and welcome to a video on intercepts and equations in graphs. So a straight line graph, the equation for such is given as y equals mx plus b. That's taught in the US. If it's the UK, I was always taught it as c, but when in Rome, let's just go with b. I live here now. So, and we learned from a previous video that the gradient of this particular straight line graph is 2 because it's the gradient is equal to rise over run. So the run is 1, the rise is 2, so 2 over 1 is equal to 2. So that's the gradient. That's what this m means here. So that's the gradient. So straight away we can start to plug in what we've got so far. B refers to the y-intercept. Now what that means is the point where it crosses the y-axis. Y-axis, and in this point it's minus 2. So I need to get rid of that plus sign for a start. So the equation here for this particular straight line graph is 2x minus 2. So we can test this out a little bit. So we can say that y is equal to, let's plug some numbers in. Let's say 2 times 3 minus 2. So this 3 here we're saying is the x. So that gives us 4. So when x is 3, here y is equal to 4. And that is a point on the graph. Let's try another one. So let's say 2 times when x is 2 minus that 2 y-intercept is equal to 2. So when x is 2 here and then y is 2 here. Let's try one more. So y is equal to 2 multiplied by, let's say when x is 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So that means whenever x is 1, y is 0. And in this case it checks out. And these points you're starting to see on the line. So we can actually put that into a table of values as well. Can't even draw a straight line. 3, 2, 1. So we tested when x is equal to 3, when it's equal to 2, and it's equal to 1. And we came out with these y values 4, 2, and 0. So that gives us the points 3, these Cartesian coordinates, 2 and 2, and then 1 and 0. So then if you were to go and test it and try and identify these points on the line, you would find them. This 3, 4 is up here, 2, 2 is here, and then the 1, 0 is down there. If you want to determine the x-intercept, let's get rid of all this stuff because it's creating a bit of mess. If you wanted to determine the x-coordinate, we'd have to set y as equal to 0. In that case, we would have 0 is equal to 2x minus 2. And remember, when we change the side, we change the sign. So we can bring 2 to the other side, but I'm still going to flip it around a bit and say that 2x is equal to 2. And then I'll divide both sides by 2, which gives x is equal to 1. And that checks out as well, because if you can see here, whenever x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. Okay, in the next video, we will start all over again and go through all of the things we've covered in this mini series, but we're going to start with a different equation, and we're going to go with this one in the next video. So see if you can get there before me. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you on the next video. Cheers, bye.